guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another awesome video, and today what I'm going to be basically doing is trading Megga pets only in Adopt Me. So before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. So guys, I'm basically just in the game right now, and I'm just going to see if anyone wants to trade for my Megga Flyable Rideable Dog. So this is kind of a good server, and I'm kind of excited to trade some of my good pets away for good pets as well. So this is a pretty good deal. I would have accepted that, but I couldn't. I think this is a good deal for her, but she declined. But yeah. So people have crows nowadays, and yeah. So they were out. I think they were out. Kind of recently. Crows were kind of out for farm eggs. Not really recently, but kind of recently. So yeah. So I just don't know if this is a good trade, and yeah, this is a common. That is I think it's so cute though. Okay guys, so yeah, this is not for free. So I'm just gonna trade this girl because boy, I don't even know who's playing it. I don't know. But yeah, so she's going all out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trade people, random people. Hopefully I don't have my trades off. Hopefully I don't, but I think I do. Cause when I'm doing YouTube, my trades are normally off, and I normally cannot do anything about it, but yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just trading people, and yeah. So this is my So this is my inventory. It's not that good. I only have 2 Meggas, and that's not really good. That's my wear that I have for my pet. These are my strollers. I don't have that much because I traded some for nice good things. This is all my food. I have a lot of pizza. I have 2 vehicles. These are all of my toys, and yeah, all of these toys that are in here. I have so many of these. They're so annoying. I have footballs as well. So I'm just gonna put this, and then I don't even know what you do with this. Yeah, I think it makes you jump higher. I don't know. I think it does. Can I offer, please? Yeah, sure. I'm just trading her right now, and she said that she wants to offer. So I'm just gonna trade her and see what she wants to offer for my Megga. I'm gonna tell her to add because yeah. So I'm gonna decline it and see, can you add? Sorry about my spelling. I am doing it right. I know how to do it. I think that's yeah, sure. I don't know, guys. I actually have no idea. But yeah. Can you trade me? Or I'll trade her, guys. So I have no idea. Where's my pet? I told her to add, and I don't know if she'll add, but I mean, guys, oh my guys, I don't know if I should. Oh my guys, all that for that. Why does she want so many good things? So I think the altar is so cute. I'm gonna tell her to add So just add a new pet, and yes, so I'm gonna tell her, can I Alright guys, I don't know what she'll say. I said, can I offer for your role? And I have no idea if she's actually going to respond. No idea. And these are definitely from the puppy squad. This one, all of these guys. So yeah. And her. Oh man. So I'm just going to trade her. Can I offer for your role? So I don't know if she'll actually respond because she has not responded for lots of times. So yeah, I don't know if she responded or anything. But yeah guys, so I'll come back when she probably has responded. So guys, I forgot she didn't leave, but I don't know where she went, so I was gonna do some edits, but then she left, I think. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna have to end the video here because there's no one really wanting to trade. Oh, that's gonna trade it. I don't know if she will. No, she didn't accept. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna end the video here. So, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Puppy Squad.